If a dad makes a joke in the forest and no one is there to laugh, is it even funny? This adventure taught me that solo trips have their place, but I definitely enjoy the company of some friends. Brought to you by Epic Adventure Outfitters. Oh man, these prices just keep getting worse and worse. I met up with Sean from The Story Till Now and Rob from Revere Overland in town. We hit the highway together. But the first leg of this adventure, I was going to do solo.
I'll send you a message when we get to camp tonight, let you know where we ended up.
Sounds good.
Okay, we'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Be safe.
Yep. Going by, okay?
I'll do my best. You as well.
You don't have to be safe, just don't die. I'd be devastated. Oh.
Yes. All right. Made it to the turnoff, so we're gonna start heading up. Try to reach this fire tower. It is still raining and the roads are really muddy and slick, so who knows what's gonna happen. And I also think there's gonna be snow up there. This is gonna be a good time, but I'm gonna air down and get going here. Scout! What are you doing, buddy? Come here. The Nahatlach Fire Lookout stands at 3,900 feet elevation. And this area has been hit real hard by our harsh winter and record-breaking floods. On a previous adventure, I showed the carnage of this exact area down in the valley. But this time, I was heading up to the top of these mountains. I'm already on the final hill climb. This was not very dramatic. Absolutely no snow. For some reason, this road is pretty dry. There's not even mud puddles. So pretty anti-dramatic, but yeah, I mean, it's gonna be a cool spot regardless. What a trip. So, Scout's excited. Hey, Scout, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? You like it up here? It's been about a year since I've been up here, and yeah, it's just as nice as I remember it. Probably a little bit nicer. It looks like it's been taken care of. This fire lookout is maintained by the volunteers of the Four-Wheel Drive Association of BC and is one of the best maintained fire lookouts I've seen. Every time I've come up here, it's been well worth the trip. If you've been up to the Nahatlach Tower, you know that there's a guest book. I'll leave a sticker up there for anybody that wants it. Looks like we got out of there just in time. Clouds are rolling in. It might start raining here pretty quick, so I'm gonna get to camp. The rain did come that night, and it set me up for a peaceful and much needed rest, which I needed because I was about to hit the road again. Are you drafting me?
Yeah, I'm trying to get all the fuel economy I can.
Aaron down, met up with Mike from the Unexpected Off-Road.
Nice to come out with you, finally meet you.
Quite the rig.
Yeah, does the job, gets me where I want to go.
Widens the trails for us.
Yeah, makes them a little wider. There's a little brush clearing on the way.
So we're gonna hit these trails and hopefully meet up with Sean and Rob. All right, let's go. Whoa! Moo you! You tell him, Scout. Get him.
Move it on over.
Get him. Get him. Move it on over. Hey, you're making my dog upset. Tell him, Scout. Tell him. So, how was the drive in?
It was great. Find yourself a flat spot wherever you can, I guess.
I'm missing my camera.
How was it?
That's good. Beautiful up top with that fire tower.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful lookout.
I knew if I met up with Rob, he would have to try a Canadian classic.
It's clamato juice, which is clam juice and tomato juice mixed together. And then Worcester sauce, black pepper.
Hold on. Can we rewind a bit?
Okay.
The tomato and
Clam.
clam juice, like from...
Like a clam. That's why it's called clamato, clam and tomato, right?
That's disgusting. That sounds
No, you're
disgusting.
wrong. You're wrong. You're insulting my culture.
Sorry. I take it back. I'm wearing a hat, though. Dried clam broth.
Yeah.
Red chili pepper. Color.
Well, obviously it's red, man.
Color. Onion, anchovies.
I had to make it Canadian.
Like, what a weird combination of things. And this is normal here in Canada?
This is my favorite drink.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Should try it.
All right, a toast. A toast to Rob coming to Canada.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's pretty good, isn't it?
It's not horrible.
That's what I like to hear.
not terrible.
That's what we like to hear.
So, pulled up the camp. It's already getting dark. It is dinner time. We're gonna have some gnocchi.
Gnocchi. Gnocchi. Gnocchi.
Quick update on the gnocchi.
Gnocchi.
Gnocchi. Like Loki.
Gnocchi.
So we got some sausage going for the sauce, but you know we got to do it with some bacon.
Yeah.
It's part of the essentials pack.
Yeah. Are you gonna put dirt in there too?
A little bit of danger.
All the danger. Essentials t-shirt. Available at dirtyanddangerous.com.
Gnocchi is done. No.
Gnocchi. Gnocchi.
Gnocchi.
Did I win?
No, it's gnocchi. Gnocchi.
No, it's gnocchi.
It's gnocchi.
Do you eat it in a bowl or in a
DJ
plate?
gnocchi.
A bowl.
Eat it in a bowl with a spoon?
Eat it with a
Yeah,
fork,
'cause they're
man.
round pellets, right? It'd be like.
No, eat it with a fork.
Eat it with a fork on a plate?
Fork on a plate.
Eat with a knife.
I didn't bring a fork or a plate.
So you should eat it with your hands?
I brought hot dog buns.
Let us know in the comments. Is it pronounced gnocchi, gnocchi, or what did you say?
Gnocchi.
Gnocchi. How do you say it? And also, do you eat it in a bowl or on a plate? And do you eat it with a fork or with a spoon? We need to know. These are pressing questions.
How are they going to let us know how it's pronounced in a comment?
Were you vlogging? We're packed up and heading out.
What?
Just
You're leaving?
spent the night with
You're leaving me?
yeah. It hurts mi corazón.
Hurts your croissant?
And Rob from Revere Overland is also packing up and heading out.
Very slowly. We're going to go back across the border before they catch us here.
Before they catch us here. Make a break for it. It's awesome seeing you and hanging out with you.
It's been fun. Been short, but fun.
Yeah. Make sure you guys check out his adventure with the Story Tell Now on his channel as well. But for now, Mike and myself, we got some more adventuring to do. Let's hit it. Be sure to subscribe to continue watching this adventure, as things got pretty hectic on our way to another fire lookout. And until next time, go away, get lost, and unwind.